Apparently Cyrus just got a new car, new daily.
Yes, I have actually seen it. I'm not gonna lie. It's a great family car, but it is super fly, and I don't think you're expecting to see what it is. What do you think it is?
I don't know. I don't know what to expect, honestly, these days.
Well,
He's here?
Here he comes right now.
How did he come so quick?
Wait, so he got rid of the X6M?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, the
Wait,
X6M
actually?
competition. Cyrus is no longer a BMW owner, but he's a M boy at the heart. But you know, he's got to do his best for his family. So you guys got to check this thing out, though. It's cool. Obviously, we got the Revolto here. We got the CYRUS Performante. Still got the G-Wagon. You know, these two cars, I don't see ever getting rid of them. I'm gonna keep the G-Wagon for another couple years. I love it, and winter's here. You know, that's why we haven't been able to do much races. But if we catch a warm day, we'll definitely do a race for you guys. Without further ado, make sure you subscribe, hit those post notifications, and here comes Cyrus with his new beast.
Oh,
That is fast.
the new Caddies are sick. I know you guys had the, what, 2017 one?
Old one, yeah. Not
Yeah,
like
this one looks crazy, bro.
Guys,
What's up?
man, I'm not gonna lie. It was hard to trade in the X6M competition because, yo, I'm a BMW guy, you know? Yeah. Like, that's one of my favorite SUVs, but I'm planning on expanding the family soon, so...
Whoa, you can hear
Whoa.
it dropping, right?
Yeah, it's actually raised up right now. This thing's a beast.
Wait.
And,
Did it just come off the truck?
no. I was wondering, why do you guys have this here? Pista? Who's on
Yeah, he's
Pista?
taking out his Pista.
There he's driving it. Can we see the inside?
Wait,
Yeah,
what's
sure.
going on?
I don't know. I thought,
Yeah.
I thought the Cadillac came off the truck.
No. Yeah, it has a lot of seats. It has the TV
Oh, we already have the...
screens.
Oh, dude, it comes with TV screens like this?
You know we can play COD now, Christian, right?
Yeah, on there?
Yeah.
Yo, let's go on a trip with this.
That's
It
awesome.
connects-
It connects
Have
with
to.
the HDMI.
Nice.
A lot of space, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you missed the old Caddy that you had?
No.
You don't?
Nah, this is a different level.
Yeah, this is way better. Wow.
And it's the ESV, so a lot of trunk space, you know.
It's a V8, right?
Yeah, it's V8, 420 horsepower. It's perfect for raising a family, man. So we'll see. Might have a new addition soon or
So
later.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're gonna have 5 more kids. Let's go.
We'll see
Wait,
what
can we
God
ask
provides.
Lucas what's going on in
Yeah.
this tow truck?
Yeah.
Because
Why'd you take it out? Why'd you take out the Pista?
Are you racing today? What are you doing? What's going on?
what'd you say? We're not racing today, are we?
Nah, I did something that I'm not telling anyone. Yeah. I got to load it up on the truck first,
Wait,
and
what
I'll
do
let
you
you
mean
guys
you're gonna
know.
load it on the truck?
What's going on? Is the Ferrari okay?
I'll tell you guys as soon as it loads up on the truck. What?
He's
Okay.
loading it up on the tow truck.
What's going on, Lucas?
Putting it on the truck.
I'll let you guys know. 1 second.
Alright. None of you guys know what's going on?
No.
I don't know what's going on, man. I mean, I hope he's not trying to prank us. I'm tired of getting
Yeah.
pranked, honestly. Like, this has to be real now. Like, come on. You know, I don't know what's going on. Is he gonna trade it in or something?
I don't know. I don't know if there's something wrong with it or he's selling it. He didn't
Maybe
tell
maybe
me.
he needs to get the maintenance, annual maintenance, right?
He got that recently in July.
Yeah, the way he's talking right now, he seems kind of like on the low, you know? I don't know.
So why is he loading it on there?
I don't know.
Is he getting a new car or something?
He didn't tell me.
trading it in?
He usually tells me, but I don't know.
Well, like, he doesn't seem like excited or anything. He's just like, I'll tell you guys in a little bit. Like,
Yeah, he doesn't seem
know?
happy about what's going on.
what if his Ferrari has a recall?
Nah, I don't.
Like this late on?
It's older, so I don't think it has a recall. Like,
Yeah, it's a little too late.
yeah. Nah, he wouldn't tune.
Nah, I doubt it.
Should we go to him again? Like,
Yeah.
Lucas hasn't told me what he's doing with the car yet.
I know, he won't talk to us. Why is he hiding it, you
I
know?
don't know. He seems nervous.
Yeah. Hopefully he'll make it up. Oh, you're good now. Yeah, you're good. Nah, he's good. That's scary.
Scary, right?
Yeah, I remember when I had to load up my Revolto after my incident. Like,
these cars, the gas pedal is so sensitive, so it's like, if you tap it like a millimeter too much, I think it's gonna go forward, you know? But it's on the truck perfectly, so we're good. I don't know why.
Are you gonna tell us now?
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on.
Dang, bro.
What's going on, bro? You're not talking to us.
Thanks, Mike. Yo, come talk to us. Come talk to us. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of a sad day, you know, if this happens, but.
But what?
So I do have something in the works, Marcus. I didn't tell you. You know,
That's crazy.
It's the holidays. I actually wanted to upgrade the Pista. You know, I've had it for, you know, since 2019. I've had it for so long, so I'm thinking about like upgrading it. I want something better. I want something faster. You know what I mean? Can't sell the Pista.
Why
Yeah.
don't you just keep the Pista and get an upgrade too? What would you get?
That's something that I want to keep a secret right now. They're gonna look at the car, they're gonna appraise it, they're gonna tell me exactly how much I could trade it in for, and then I'm gonna make my decision off of that. I don't know if it's for sure gonna be gone or not, but most likely it is gonna be gone.
You
So
getting the SF90?
I don't want to say anything yet. There's a lot of options out there, but
12 cylinder?
we'll
12
see.
cilindri?
We'll see. We'll see.
Is it a Ferrari?
I can't tell you guys. I can't tell you guys yet. You have to subscribe to watch.
Well, hey, if it makes you happy, we support you, man. Obviously, we love the Pista, so we're
Yeah.
sad to see it go. If you're happy with the appraisal, though.
Yeah, we'll see. I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm sad to see it go.
Man, we might not see the Pista again, bro. That's
That's
kind
sad.
of yeah, that's crazy.
We'll
to
see.
think
It's
about.
gonna take around a week time, to see what I can get for it.
That's a limited edition car, though, so if you're trading that in, it must be something expensive.
Yeah. Is it the SF90XX? We'll see. We'll see.
Alright, bro. I mean, he's about to leave.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Are you sure you want to sell it? Like, it's a good car. Like, what do they say about getting rid of your, like, the car that you love? You're gonna regret it, you know? So nothing's gonna be the same. We'll see. Well, I didn't make a firm decision yet, but.
They're just appraising it, right?
Yeah.
They're just checking to see how much you'll get for this.
No, we know how it is. Bro, he already sold it. He probably already sold it, not telling me.
Nah,
he already found another car. Like, it's like that. Once it's gone, it's gone. Like I said, if I would have traded my Pista for something, it would have to be for something very special and very good. You know what I mean? Probably got the SF90XX, bro.
I mean, I wouldn't be upset with that one though.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's going away. So
I wanted to see it race the Revuelto and you know, some of the other cars first.
yeah.
Hopefully it's not gone.
Like I said, I've had it since 2019, which is what, like 5-6 years now. So it's old technology, you know? That's crazy.
Who cares? It's speed, though.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
It's like lightning speed. Look at it.
Dang, bro, that's crazy. I actually would have never thought you'd do this. At least even try to do this.
Yeah,
is
it
kinda
hasn't
crazy.
happened yet, so I personally
They're just
think
appraising it, yeah. They're
whatever's meant to be will happen, you know, no matter what. You might end up keeping it and getting a good hookup on the car you want, you know,
Yeah.
so.
I just want to see. I want to see what they can give me for it, and then I'll make my decision from that.
That's a good thing, though, just to know what your car is valued at, you know? It's always
Yeah.
good to look at your investments, like your portfolio and stuff, just see where it's
You
at.
guys have any guesses? If I were to say have 3 cars each, 3 guesses, what would you say? S90XX, maybe trading in for the Ferrari SUV, maybe, and then cylinder, 12 cylinder. What do you think?
I was gonna guess the SF90 XX, 12 cylinder. I don't see you switching brands, but if I did, maybe it's 765.
What do you think?
I think SF90 XX, a Senna, or I don't know, man. Maybe the F80. I don't know. You
Yeah.
know, because that's like if that's the down payment. I mean, that's worth like over what 500K, 600, depends. That's a big down payment. You could probably get that.
In other news, I don't know if you guys know, but the GT3RS is dead.
Oh my god.
The battery died actually, so he has to, if he's down to come help me out. But we're still waiting to race that against the M5 CS. What's going on? Let's try to start this first.
I mean, like
Okay.
winter hit us out of nowhere, so that's probably what caused the battery to die. The cold. I mean, we were at 70 degrees. Next thing you know, under 20. So let's get Mike back here. Get the car, you know, see if we could jump start it, get into the front.
Let me call him really quick to come back.
In the meantime, I'll go down there with you, Marcus.
Okay.
Well, Mike is out here helping us. He found a way to actually trickle charge the battery to open up the front hood.
Oh, I got power back there. You got power?
Well, we just saw the taillights on earlier.
Oh, yeah. I might be thinking about selling it.
This?
Sorry. Yeah.
Too many problems?
I think Marcus, like, the reason why it's just like it got cold out so quickly. Maybe the battery's just dead. That's all. I don't think you should sell this car, man. You should keep it. This thing is fresh. All the fans love it too.
Yeah, we'll see.